You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly, or should I say different correct pronunciations, because yes, it can be pronounced different ways correctly. So it's a name of German origin, and in German it's pronounced Epstein. Okay, Epstein. Now in English it's very often pronounced as Epstein, so same but without the sh sound, just an s sound, Epstein. Now in some cases, depending on the family, it can be pronounced, especially in the US, as Epstein, as in famously Jeffrey Epstein is how it's pronounced. So depending on the family, which the origin and how they pronounce it, can be pronounced different way. Epstein, Epstein, or Epstein. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.